Hello, hate crime line. Young girls are also being told you should be trying to fit in, don't look different. For example, if you're wearing a hijab, please don't take it off just until this all dies down. When you're going home, don't get close to the tracks, someone might push you in.
The anti-tribalism movement say incidents of hate crime have been on the rise since the murder of David Amos.
It's women from all over, so it's older women, it's young women, it's just women. I would say women are more likely to support because obviously being Muslim, visibly Muslim because they wear the hijab, being black.
The charity works hard to tackle tribalism and inequalities suffered by the Somali community.
When you hear something has happened or a terrorist incident has taken place, then the first thing that comes to mind is, I hope that person is not Somali because of repercussion the community that will receive. You have a lot of young people that we've been telling for so long, you know, this is your country, you belong here, this is your country, so make sure that you contribute, participate. It puts a very dark place as a community, and that's what we've been avoiding, that's what we've been challenging for so long.
Their recent campaign tackling hate crime looks at labels and negative stereotypes.
And some of them actually I've been called. It says Al-Shabaab, it says terrorist, it says ISIS, it says benefit cheat, but that's not who I am. So that's the whole purpose of showing there is the human behind this image that's been portrayed. That's the whole purpose of this campaign.